Hello to everyone. Today we are discussing differentiation topic of class 12th. Now you can see I have written all the formulas, all the basic formulas you can say, which we have done in class 11th also. So nothing is very new for you. Now I am just revising. You can see the concept here again. So what is meant by differentiation? पहले हम बात करेंगे what is differentiation. Differentiation according to you, what is differentiation? Difference comes from the derivative or it means change in value. कुछ फर्क आ जाना, चेंज आ जाना. डिफरेंशिएशन मतलब चेंज इन द वैल्यू, राइट? सो वी आर फाइंडिंग द चेंज इन द वैल्यू व्हेन वी हैव applied the formula, like you can see constant. When we are taking the constant term, constant क्या होता है? When there is no variable, वहाँ पे कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है, we can see the constant term. Okay, the very first formula says you have to find the constant. आपको कांस्टेंट का क्या निकालना है? चेंज निकालना है. क्या फर्क आया कांस्टेंट में? आई एम टेकिंग वन कांस्टेंट हियर, वन एग्जांपल हियर. यू कैन सी 5 इज द कांस्टेंट एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द चेंज इन 5 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. x इज द वेरिएबल. एज देयर इज नो वेरिएबल, यहाँ पे कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है, सो आंसर विल बी. कोई फर्क आया? बिफोर पहले भी 5 था और अभी 5 है. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x हमें कोई चेंज नहीं लगा है, सो आंसर विल बी 0. देयर इज नो चेंज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ 5 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. So very first formula says change in the value of any constant. The answer will be 0. Answer कितना आएगा? 0 आएगा. I have taken one example for you to understand this formula better. Now you can see the next formula. The next formula says what is the differentiation of sin x. I have written sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec x, sec x and cot x. These all 6 are the trigonometric functions, and we have proved all these formulas in our class 11th with the help of first principle method. So you can find the conclusion. What is the differentiation of sin x? That is cos x. What is the differentiation of cos x? That is minus sin x. Minus you have to memorize properly. Minus very important. Minus sin x. And what is the differentiation of tan x? That is sec square x. What is the differentiation of cosec x? That is minus cosec x and cot x, multiplication. Now you can see what is the differentiation of sec x with respect to x. Remember one thing, when we are writing here the variable, the derivation will be same as per the variable. The answer will be same. You can see the theta is there, so we are finding the derivation in the same theta, in the same variable, right? So what is the differentiation of sec x? That is sec x tan x. Now what is the formula of cot x? That is the formula minus cos x square x. You have to memorize these formulas, and we have proved, again I am saying that we have proved all the formulas with the help of first principle method. If you want to show you want to learn that how can you find these formulas, I will prove all the formulas for you also, right? But filhal we have so much less time, so I am discussing all the formula right like this. Now you can see there is differentiation of ex. What is the differentiation of ex? That is very easy. The differentiation of ex is ex only, right? That is also proved by with the help of first principle method. Now next, the very important formula. This is differentiation of the algebra. You can see this is algebra. So what is the differentiation of any algebra, and what is the differentiation of any constant? The answer will be 0. And what is the differentiation of any algebra? क्या change आया है algebra में? So answer will be, कैसे करेंगे? We have to learn that. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा बेटा? यू कैन सी द पावर x रेज टू द पावर n. द पावर विल जंप फॉरवर्ड, पावर आगे आ जाएगी इन द आंसर. पावर विल कम फर्स्ट, पहले पावर आई. इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू कैन सी द पावर विल बी डिक्रीज्ड बाय 1. एक से आपकी डिग्री कम हो गई. You can see, you can take one example here. बहुत ही easy example है. I am taking one more easy example. You can see if we have to find the differentiation of x7, right? Now you have to learn that because you already know about it. That is algebra. That is x raised to the power 7. So we have to apply which one formula? Out of these we have to apply this formula. You can see x7. So what we can solve. Power will come forward. पहले power आ जाएगी. Power ने jump मारी, power आगे आ गई. ठीक है? Now you can see the power degree of the x will be decreased by 1. ये आपको क्या करना है? आपको डिग्री एक कम करना है. ये कैसे करना है? You can show like this. First step में आपसे you can show like this. So answer will be 7x6. That is the answer. That is the answer. So always remember that the power of xn differentiation of any algebra in this form, the power will come first, पहले power आएगी, then the x power will be decreased by 1, हम उसे 1 से कम कर देंगे. So next formula you can see, 10th formula, differentiation of log x, logarithm आ गया. You can see the category, we have the differentiation of, you can IAILTE, algebra, inverse, logarithm, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री और एक्सपोनेंशियल, यही चीज़ें आपकी सारी रोटेट होती रहती हैं, इन्हीं का वी हैव टू फाइंड दी डिफरेंशिएशन. सो यू कैन सी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज देयर, एल्जेब्रा इज देयर, कांस्टेंट इज देयर, एल्जेब्रा में इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं इसको. इनवर्स अभी आई हैव नॉट मेंशन हियर नाउ. एल्जेब्रा एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर, यू कैन सी एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर इज देयर, right? So what is the formula of log? Now logarithm ki we are talking about logarithm. So what is the formula of logarithm? That is 1 by x, that is 1 by x. So you have to memorize this formula also. We have proved this formula with the help of first principle method. So basically the answer will be 1 by x only. क्या रहेगा? log x का differentiation क्या change है? 1 by x. Now next question, you can see the next formula, that is a raised to the power x. You can see a raised to the power x. What is the formula here? Formula will be same. You can see the question, in the question the answer is there also. Answer and question both are same. बस थोड़ा सा फर्क है. You can see a raised to the power x, so answer will be same, a raised to the power x into log a, because this is a base. अब आपका base क्या हो गया? a था, that is the base, तो answer will be log a. I am taking one example here so that you can understand better. Suppose I am writing here the formula. We have to find the differentiation of 7x. Again I am taking 7x difference. So answer will be the base is 7, power is x, right? In this question you can see I have written this question also. Now compare these two formulas. दोनों formula compare करेंगे अगर हम. देखो बेटा फर्क क्या है. Here you can see the base is x and power is constant number, and here the base is constant and power is in the variable in which we are finding the derivation. So we have to memorize these formulas, we have to find the difference between them, and we have to apply the particular formula for in the particular question. So I am writing this question to you. So what is the answer here? What we have learned right now, we have learned when we are solving this question, you can see very easy. Confused बिल्कुल नहीं होना. You can see in this question base is the constant. So question में ही आंसर आ रहा है. You can write this first. पहले आपने सेम लिख देना 7x, राइट? नेक्स्ट इसके साथ क्या लगेगा? log 7, जो भी आपका बेस होगा, जो भी कांस्टेंट नंबर होगा, आंसर विल बी 7x इंटू log 7. वेरी इजी. बट अगर वाइस वर्सा वी आर सेइंग, अगर बेस आपका वेरिएबल होता एंड कांस्टेंट इज द पावर, सो फॉर्मूला विल अप्लाई लाइक दिस. कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? पावर आगे आ जाती है एंड पावर विल कम फॉरवर्ड एंड द वेरिएबल विल बी डिक्रीज बाय 1 डिग्री. तो 1 डिग्री का उसे लॉस हो गया क्योंकि पावर आ गई. यू कैन कंपेयर बोथ दिस फॉर्मूलाज. वेरी इजी कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? यू हैव टू कैटेगराइज, यू हैव टू फाइंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैम. आई होप आपको सबको समझ में आ रहा है. नाउ यू कैन सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सी द नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला, दैट इज log ax. So this formula is, the answer is 1 upon x log a. Very easy. It is also very easy question. I can solve this question with the help of example. You can take one example for that. In the 12th question, if we have given that log 5x. Now compare this. We have log 5x. So what is the formula says? Formula says write 1 by x. Write 1 by x as it is. Same आपको लिखना है, बट जहाँ पे log a आपको दिख रहा है, you have to write log 5. Base of change of base का concept है. You have to write this like this formulas. We have proved all these formulas with the help of first principle method in class 11th only. सारे formulas हमने solve किए हुए in class 11th में, but if you want to see that again, I will prove all the formulas for you with the help of first principle method. But it will take time, so I have written formulas like this. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much.